Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is actually going to be a haul video from the Nykaa Freedom Sale, and I'm so excited to show you everything that I got. I usually get really excited when it comes to haul video, and I just hope this video helps you out if you are looking forward to buying some stuff during the sale, or if you just want to stock up on the things that you like. I think sale is a great time for you to do so, and also just if you just want to see the things that I picked up. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first three things are from Natio, whatever you'd like to call it. I'm not really sure. So it's the deep cleansing face brush, and I've been meaning to get one of these because my previous one fell down and it broke completely, so it stopped working. I really enjoyed using facial cleansers in the past, and I think it has helped a lot to clear out my skin and also to keep it clean and to remove all of the makeup. And this one I hope does the job equally well. And this one was priced at rupees 3,000, and Natio has a flat 10% off on all of its products. This is what it looks like. It's a really pretty white basic machine. It also comes with an extra facial cleanser so that you can replace it, so you don't have to buy it for the first time, and I think after that you have to keep buying to replace this, and I think you're supposed to replace this every 3 to 4 months. And they've also included 2 batteries in the packaging. So I'm really looking forward to this. And then because I was trying that out, I thought of trying some more Natio products, and I've got 2 things from them. This one is the Renew Radiance Foam Cleanser, and this is like a purifying and brightening cleanser, and this one was for rupees 9.55. And then I also got the day cream from their range, and this one is again from the Renew Radiance range, and this one was priced at 11.30. Since I really like the Forest Essential face mask, I thought of trying another one. I think this is one of their new launches, and this is the Tejas V Facial Uptan. I have already used the Multani Mitti Facial Uptan, and it's almost getting over, so I thought I should just restock and get this one. This was priced at rupees 8.75, and I'm really looking forward to it. And then I got the Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Miraculous Beauty Fluid. Now I already have used one bottle of this, and I didn't finish the entire thing, but my mom took it and she really liked it, so I got this for her. And it is like this really tiny bottle, and it is filled to the brim with like really potent oil. It looks really orange when you take it out, so it's full of saffron, and it's not very heavy, so it gets absorbed really well onto your skin, and your skin really glows the next day. I think it worked really nice on my skin as well, but my mom really liked it, so that's why I thought I should get this for her. This one is priced at, again from Kama, and this is their pure rose water. Now this is something that I've used again already, and this is just me restocking. I really liked using this. I remember keeping this in my handbag and just spraying this all over my face whenever I was out, or also using this to make a paste out of my face masks. This one is priced at rupees 250. The next thing I picked up is the Nivea deodorant. This is the whitening fruity touch deodorant. Now I have been using the roll-on, the whitening roll-on, for the longest time. I think I've finished up like 3 bottles of the roll-on, and I thought of trying the whitening deodorant as well. I think this is their new collection, and Nivea was on 30% off, I think. Yeah, and which is why I thought of picking this up. I really like the smell. It's very nice and dry. It's nice. I like Nivea deodorant as such, and my brother also uses it, and I thought I should get one for myself as well. I also got the Nykaa Bath and Body products. I've never really tried them, and I thought I should, and let me know if you guys want like a review on all of them, because I don't know, I just felt like trying. And this one is the Country Rose and Aqua body lotion, and I have the Aqua shower gel and the fragrance mist from Aqua as well. Really excited and looking forward to them. To be honest, I don't really like the packaging, but hopefully the products are nice. The body lotion is priced at rupees 500 and the shower gel is priced at rupees 450 and the fragrance mist is priced at rupees 700. I think this comes free when you buy products worth 1500 on the Nykaa Bath and Body range. So that's all for skincare. I have a crazy amount of makeup to show you guys, so let's just dive into it. The first thing that I got are these two Nykaa nail polishes. I think these two are one of their new shades, and I got the shade Serenity, which is this one. I'm wearing it on my nails, as you can see, and this one is Rose Quartz. Two really pretty pastel sort of shades, and I really like pastel nail colors, which is why I thought I should just get this. And then I also got the Bharat and Doris loose powder. Now somebody had requested that I should review this, and I thought I should just pick this up while it was on sale. This one is in the shade number 05 and I got the size small. This is what it looks like. It comes with a powder puff and then the product comes here. So let's see how this works out. Can't wait to try this. Then I also got this Faces Ultim Pro Metallic Glow. Faces has somewhere around 25% off on their stuff, and I just wanted to try this so badly. Comes in a packaging with the pump, and you just put this much out. So you can use this for like highlighting. You can even use this like along with your foundation or just all over your face. That's what's written on the box, and I am primarily going to use this as a highlighter. It's really light. I really like this. From Color Bar, I stocked up on my favorite hot latte. I already have this lipstick, but mine broke and it has completely dried, and I was so sad. So I knew this is the thing that I had to pick up during sale time, and I'm so happy. This is from their long-lasting kiss-proof lip stain, I think, and this is originally priced at $8.99 if I'm not wrong, but it had some off in it, and I'm so glad that I found it in stock. It's never in stock. Speaking of which, I picked up another thing which was finally in stock, and it's something that I'm wearing today because I couldn't help myself. It's actually the Sugar Holy Go Lightly lipstick. Finally, this is from their Matte as Hell crayon lipstick range, and this is how it looks. I am wearing it today. It's a very pinkish sort of nude, very comfortable on the lips, and it comes with the sharpener as well. I'm so happy to have like finally found this, and yes, and I found this during the sale, so of course I had to pick this up, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this. Finally, I also picked up a couple of Rimmel products, and the first thing is that I found Eastern Snob. Oh my god, if you guys follow me on Snapchat, then you know how long I've been looking for this, and this was in stock, and because I found this, I thought I should just get another one as well just in case, and I got the shade Addiction. So this one's like a brownish nude, and Eastern Snob is like a pinkish nude, and I can't wait to try it. I'm sure Eastern Snob looks really similar to the lip color that I'm wearing today. And since they have the new Kate Moss lipstick, I thought of trying two of those as well. I've got the shade number 16, which is like a peachy pink. I can't open this. These were priced really cheap as well. This was for $2.75, and it's like a really nice peachy nude, the shade number 16. And then I got another one which comes in the red packaging, and this is in the shade number 105. This was for $2.75 as well. This again is like a really nice pink or brown nude. I am really into nudes this time, and I just got like all nude shades. I also picked up one of the Revlon Ultra HD matte lip color, and this is in the shade Seduction. Again, a nude shade, a pinkish nude. I'm really liking them. I have my moments, you know, sometimes I'm like really into bright, bold, deep colors, and sometimes all I just want to wear is like nudes, and which is why I like thought of getting this. This is like I've tried this in the store, and this is very soft, unlike the Chambord ones, which can be a little drying, but this one isn't very drying, and it sets matte, and it does not really take a long time to set. Plus this is a very beautiful shade. I also really like the frosty packaging, but I think these are like a little expensive, which is why I thought of getting them during the sale season, and which is why I only got one shade, just so that I can try them out and let you guys know what I think about them. And also I am posting like a lot of reviews on my blog, so I'm going to leave the link to my blog down below so that you guys can go see. I'm usually like posting reviews of single things like this over on my blog, so you guys can go read like all the other things that I have on there. Lastly, I picked up a couple of things from LA Girl. Can you see the amount of lipstick on my hands? But they only had like 5% off, but I really wanted to try out the LA Girl concealers. They didn't have it in stock. I was so bummed, but I did pick up one of them, and this one is in the shade Espresso. This was priced at how much is this priced at? I'm gonna link it down below. Oh, it's priced at $5.35, and I thought of using this for my contour. It looks like the perfect shade for it, and I also see like a lot of videos where girls use this, so I'm looking forward to that. Then I also got the Chubby contour stick in highlight. I have the one in blush, and I also wanted the one in contour, but I got the concealer in Espresso, so I thought of just getting the highlighter. This one is priced at rupees 600 or 800. I'm going to link everything down below, don't worry. Even if I've forgotten to mention the price of anything else, it's always going to be down below. And then I also got this eyeshadow palette. This is their Neons eyeshadow palette, and this is priced at rupees 950. This is what it looks like. Oops, they have an eyeshadow brush along with it, and these are the color. I really like the green packaging, and they have some nice bright colors which I haven't tried yet. And you guys know that I'm really into like bright, bold colors and looks at the moment, so I'm looking forward to experimenting with this. And then I have two lipsticks from the matte flat finish pigment gloss. This one is in the shade Fantasy, which looks like a light pinkish nude, and then I have the shade called Stunner, which is a pure purple. These were priced at rupees 575. Really looking forward to trying these two. I think I'm going to put up swatches on my Instagram as well, so that you guys can see it, see how they look. So that's about it for makeup. I also wanted to quickly mention that they have Batiste as well. So if you guys would want, you can go try out the dry shampoos from Batiste. This one is the Floral and Flirty blush one, and during the sale I think it's the best time to pick up on stuff like this, like dry shampoo and things. I also got this Roots hairbrush just because I like the color. I don't need any more hairbrush in life, but I got this because it was so pretty. It was like bright pink and with like mint in it. To be honest, I only got this because it has mint padding in it. Just see how cute is this. Oh, it looks so pretty, and it's so lightweight. I like this. Oh, I completely forgot to show this one. This is actually a retro matte gloss from Bharat and Doris, and I've heard good things about this, so I thought I should try this out myself. This was priced at rupees 650, and I got the shade M08. I don't know if it has the name, but it looks like a really nice deep burgundy sort of red. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked everything that I picked up. Let me know which one you liked the most in the comments down below, and also mention the things that you picked up this sale. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.